Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're OD, if you're a newbie, hey girl, hey, thank you for joining the team. Go ahead, pause this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. Okay, y'all, so I know y'all seen from the title, I have gotten a lot of requests for how I flatten my brushes, and this is what this video is about to show y'all. I'm about to reveal the tea, the secrets. So, what I do normally is I get a bar soap. It doesn't have to be a fresh bar soap. I got this little bar soap from Target for like $1 or something, and I just thought it was so cute for this little project. So I don't have to use a big bar soap and then, you know, waste it afterwards, because you don't need the bar soap that long. So what I do is I get a bar soap, water. As y'all can see, I use Deer Park water, just because. So what I do is I just dip my brush in there slightly, and then I literally swipe it back and forth on the soap until it gets kind of stiff to where it's hard to move back and forth. And it will do that. At first it is a little, you know, moist, and you'll see it bubble up. What I do is just kind of wipe my brush off after I dip it in the water, and then go back and then start to mold it and shape it on the soap. So all the bar soap is doing is just molding and shaping it without damaging your brush. The soap, you do it every day. So what I do, I did it for like a week. I trained my brushes for about a week. And I did the same method every day. And don't think that it's going to interfere with your clients or anything, because I still took the clients in between. And then I just will remold it and reshape it afterwards. So what I'm doing here is I'm just, like I told y'all, going back and forth with my brush. And you can do this to make your brushes flat. You can do this to make them like oval shaped or circular or barreled like. You can do this to shape your brushes any way you want. So in the last video was me crimping my brushes and kind of restoring them. This one is me flattening them. And after I get the amount of soap that I want on there, or it starts to get tough to wipe the brush back and forth across the soap, as you can see right there, I then take the brush and mold it into the shape that I want it to be. And yeah, I did this for I trained my brushes for about a week and a half. And even sometimes if I see them like little pieces of hair getting out of place, I'll go back and mold it again. And then the next day I'll just not rinse it out, dip it in water just to get the soap out, dry it, and then go back and remold it. And you just keep doing this with all your brushes, and y'all, as simple as that. That's the secret. Okay? It's really easy, really cost effective, not too much. And they literally stay in the position, in the shape or the mold that you've made for them. It will not get out of place. Some of the hairs may get, you know, you may have a little few stragglers, but if you do this technique, my brushes are just as flat as they appear on this video. Now, even when I go back the next day and take the soap off, they're still in the same position. So this is a pretty effective method that I came across, and I'm glad to share it with you guys. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to see more videos like this one, y'all already know what to do. Comment down in the comment section below, and I got you. Okay? So, as always, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye! Okay guys, I'm back that fast. I know I kind of ended the video, but right here I just wanted to show you guys how my brushes look after, and the way they look here is how they are to this day. Like, they will not lose their shape. Like I told you, there will be some few, you know, a little few hairs that want to get out of place, but nothing too serious. But when you use this method, this is how your brushes are going to look for the duration of your time having them. Okay, so yeah. So like I said, as always, I love you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, like, subscribe, and share, and tell everyone you know. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.